Hey guys, what's going on? Just getting the truck ready for a camping trip this weekend to go up to the mountains to see the fall colors. Just doing some cleaning here in the back of the truck, and then probably gonna vacuum a little bit in the truck and pack. Yeah, stay tuned for more. All right, guys, so this is what it looks like once it's fully loaded. Don't have the mattress in there right now, but that will go on top of everything. Just got it all nice and situated in there. Looks pretty good. It's organized. It's not the best setup in the world, but I think it does the job for us for what it is. Got a nice little camp tent that goes around the outside of this for when it rains and when it's cold. But yeah, pretty happy with the setup so far. It's very minimal. It's kind of the cheapest way that you could possibly build it out. I think it was less than $100 in total for the full bed setup and everything. But yeah, we're headed up. Stuck in traffic here with Manders and the pups. What's going on, guys? We just pulled into our second campsite of the weekend here at Cottonwood Lake. Just wanted to give you a quick tour of the camper setup just so you could kind of see what it looks like. We got these on some sheets of plywood that I cut in half, and these are on some hinges so that we could extend it out to 6 feet because my truck bed's only 5 foot long. But it works for us really great, and it's really cheap. It's kind of the cheapest way you can build it out. And yeah, we're excited to be here in fall and gonna take some photos and hopefully go on a hike soon.